Hello Galgotians, today we are with Dean Students Affairs of Galgotia's group of institutions, Ms. Vinika Namatu ma'am. Welcome to the show ma'am. Ma'am, we would like to ask you, you have been a teacher and now you are Dean Students Affairs. So what has been changed since then and what has been your experience as Deans of Students Affairs in this group of institutions?
Well, the experience has been marvelous. It's been a drastic experience. I was teaching toddlers and then went to teens, and now I'm dealing with newly found adults who are just about 18, and there is so much of energy in the youth, and this, I think in India we are extremely talented and creative young adults who wants us to channelize the energy to a positive note, and I think they're doing a fantastic job. The students are very, very creative. It's been a tremendous experience. It's been a learning experience for me as well. I think there are many things that I learned from them, which probably I think I didn't even know about. But absolutely amazing to be with them, and I feel youthful myself. And
Sure, ma'am.
great.
You're really youthful, ma'am. You talk about the energy that goes along with the students. So I want to ask you, how do you channelize that energy to bring up in the Galgotia's Unifest? And each year we perform so well in the Unifest. So according to you, which has been the best Unifest till now?
I think it's like, every year we have a baby, and you really can't differentiate which baby is the better one, which
Sure,
child is
ma'am.
better. It just gets better with time and with years, because we all evolve, we all learn from our experiences, and every fest leaves us with something to definitely, make it better the next time. So obviously we started in 2010, and it's been our 7th year now. And I feel we're just doing something more creative every time. Look at the way Fine Arts is prepared, the beautiful goblet of fire, and the decor is getting better. The events are getting better. We're getting tremendous responses from colleges. We have new colleges coming in. We have new inquiries coming in. We have people coming from Roorkee, from Meerut colleges, Chandigarh University, so
definitely.
a lot of other universities. And I think we're just evolving as a better fest team. And every time when we do a fest, we keep in mind that 50 events, 60 events, but we just get more and more into it. So I think the fest has gained a lot of momentum, and it's one of the best fests in NCR, Northern India's
Yes, definitely, ma'am.
biggest fest.
One of the biggest fests in North India, we know that.
I think we're doing a fantastic
ma'am.
job. The teams are learning from their seniors. The seniors leave a good bunch of juniors well trained, and
Yes,
then
ma'am,
they take the lead forward.
Ma'am, at this point of time, we see the crucial role played by the Galgotia Student Council, which we call it the core. So, how important do you think Galgotia's Unifest is to increase the interaction between the students, the core, and the management?
See, we have about 15,000 students in Galgotias, and to connect to everybody is very difficult.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
why we started these clubs. So we have about 40 clubs in GU and GCT both. So the core is basically known, those 10 students in GU and GCT are known to connect to every branch. So we picked up one student from each branch, each stream, so that we get to disseminate information and get information from different streams. So the Unifest main idea is to first amalgamate everyone together, bring everybody at a common platform, so that all the Galgotians, they interact well with each other. They get time to enjoy, because all work and no play makes Jack a dull
Yes,
boy.
ma'am.
So the reason we have clubs is to break this monotony of studying. The students learn how to balance studies and to manage play, and these creative activities. And it's amazing to see that those who can actually balance out this well get maximum placements.
Yes, ma'am.
Each of the
Definitely.
core member or the club members, they all have 2 or 3 placements in hand. So
Yes.
which is because they get the confidence, they have the exposure, they know how to do the jugaad last minute, they know disaster
Definitely,
management,
ma'am.
they
Yes,
know
in
sales
that-
management, they know
that's for sure.
everything.
Yes, ma'am.
So we basically train them to be better individuals, ready for the corporate world too.
Very wonderful. Now, in the end, I would like to ask you, how would you like to describe Galgotia's Unifest in just one word?
Oh, it's totally magical.
It's
That's the
magical.
theme, enchantment and
Yes, ma'am.
magical. So I feel just wait for 3 more days and we are there to head on to a magical journey into a wonderland.
Wait for 3 more days and we'll be heading on to the magical journey. That's what ma'am said. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this.